Colored insulating tape is the unsung hero of every toolbox, adding not just a layer of protection to your electrical projects but also a splash of personality. Imagine a world where your wires aren't just secure but organized in a rainbow of colors: red for power lines, blue for neutral, green for grounding. This handy little roll of tape isn't just about safety, it's about making your work easier, more efficient, and a whole lot more fun. Whether you're a seasoned electrician or a DIY enthusiast, colored insulating tape lets you identify and insulate with style. The vibrant hues are not just for show, they help you quickly differentiate between connections, making troubleshooting and maintenance a breeze. But colored insulating tape isn't just about looking good, it's about doing the job right. Each strip of tape is crafted to withstand the wear and tear of daily use, resisting heat, moisture, and abrasion to keep your connections safe and sound. It's a versatile tool that goes beyond electrical work, too. Need to bundle cables, label tools, or even add a splash of color to your crafts? This tape does it all. And the best part? You can choose from a wide array of colors to match your project's vibe. So, why settle for plain when you can wrap your wires in a spectrum of safety? With colored insulating tape, you're not just protecting your connections, you're adding a bit of flair to every fix.